Hey guys, welcome back to the Franny channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM unboxing, and this month's BOXYCHARM is Getaway. When I think of Getaway, I think like the beach, getting away from everybody, you know, vacay, just wonderful. Anyhow, this month's BOXYCHARM is very cool. There's some things here that when I saw what we were getting, I was excited to try because I'm a big fan of skincare and stuff like that. You know, you want to take care of your skin. You know, it's the only skin you have. This month's BOXYCHARM, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, and I did a video of this product. This is the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy. Now this guy, banish dull skin with Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. This gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin's resilience and tone. This cleanser is formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. Now, as you can see, I did put a little video up here. So you're supposed to put it on your skin and just, you know, do circular motions on your skin for like 60 seconds, and then for some reason it says to take it off with a wet cloth, then with warm water wash it off, which is weird, but I kind of get it because it is creamy. Like, it feels like you're putting lotion on your skin and you're just rubbing the lotion on your skin. It's really enriched. It's gluten free, EPA free, paraben free, GMO free, and it's a vegan product. So you're getting all the skincare stuff. Now this guy is made in Italy, so you can feel the enriched products and enriched ingredients in this. Like I said, it feels like you're rubbing lotion on your skin, and it feels weird taking it off and then putting water, like rinsing it with water, but that's how you do it, and it feels very good, and I like it. And this guy retails for $25. Now I first tried it, I got like a little sample on, I think, a Sephora bag something in Sephora that I purchased, and I got it with points, which I liked. They have also a toner, which I very much like, and it's, I think, in Ulta. You can buy it in Ulta, and it's like 25 bucks also. Now the other thing that I tried was the masks. You get 3 masks, of course. I already used one, and you can see like the picture on top. These guys are the Haru Haru Wonder Maki Berry Antioxidant Masks. This comes in a trio, and they're $9, if you can believe it. Containing extracts of maki berry, this Haru Haru Wonder Maki Berry Mask provides your skin with antioxidants and anti-aging effects. Patent technology in this mask encourage your skin to do healthy skin functions like regeneration, anti-inflammation, and targets many skin imperfections. The sheet is made of friendly 100% cotton without non-chlorine bleach process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence to the skin. Wonderful. You do wear this mask, you open this mask, you have your clean skin. It does tell you to use a toner before you put on the mask, so go ahead and use your toner. I have the ordinary toner, so I just used this, and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. I like to take my masks to the extended time that it says, so I took it to 20 minutes. Gently remove it. It absorbs, your skin absorbs the product, and it just feels like I don't have anything after this mask, so I just feel like it regenerated my face. Like, it feels so nice and so like stretched. It feels really good. Now, they do have a lot of liquid in here, and I don't know if it's against the beauty rules or whatever, but I usually save the mask again and put it in here and just use it again. The next thing on my box was this guy from Touch in Sol. This is the No Preblem Prime Essence. Now, we did get a primer, which I love. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Preblem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Now, this guy retails for $23. Now, let's see, how do you use? At the least step of your skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it's absorbed fully. It's fully absorbed. It's liquidy, so it kind of sounds like an oil. It is a Korean product. Yes, it is a Korean product. I love Korean products. They're really good for your skin, and most of them are very natural. So I'm gonna try this guy. Now, this video is gonna be all over the place because I'm gonna do a review also for a makeup cushion from Wet n Wild. Yes, from Wet n Wild. So to try this on, okay? And I am going to do my left side as per usual, and it's very liquidy. You can see like the tip, it's very liquidy, and it's going. Woo! Yeah, very liquidy. Ooh. Smells very nice though. So it's going on half of my face. Feels very nice. I'm just gonna wait for that to absorb into the skin, and it looks very luminous, very pretty. Okay, so now that I have my foundation and my eyebrows on, let's go ahead and check the other products that I got from my BOXYCHARM. Now, the essence, the Prime Essence feels very nice. It is very liquidy, so I would suggest you being careful. I tried to do the whole like Instagram thingy where you just go like this, but it poured out everywhere, so be careful. It does feel very nice. It smells very good, and this is what, $23? Very much approved. Next product we have, and I was very excited because I don't have this. This is the Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow Cheek Palette, V3, so the number 3. Apparently I'm missing a 2 because I have the 3. Meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tartiest Pro Glow Cheek Palette, V3. Formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. Sounds very beautiful. This guy retails for $45. That's why I don't have the other 2, I believe. So this is very beautiful. It's very sleek. It comes like in black, the font gold. On the back it has the name of the products, and then it's very cute because you open it like, ooh, like that. We don't need that plastic. Now it's very pretty. The pans are very nice. It has like your gold, let me just do the, because these are the mirrors. So that's what it looks like. From the top right, this guy is Floor Dance, bottom is A-lister, and the other one is Backstage. And then from my left side, this color is Premiere, Headliner, and Autograph right there. So for my light skin, I think I'm gonna go into Autographer. Is it Autographer? Yeah, Autograph. So I'm gonna dive into Autograph, and using my Morphe for 24, M424. I'm gonna dive into this guy right here. Now it kind of looks like it would be, no, it is pretty matte. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into that guy. Very beautiful bronzer. I likes it. Gives a very nice glow to the face. I really, really like it. It looks very pretty. Let's try the blush. Now I'm gonna grab the, what is this? The Luxie 514, and I'm gonna dive into this one right here, which was Dance Floor. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Now, grabbing my R31, I'm gonna dive into, okay, so this one's more like a pinky kind of a color, and this one's more like a golden. So, what am I feeling like today? Am I feeling golden? Let's do golden. This guy is the A-lister. It's magnetic. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do the other one on the nose. I'm gonna grab this brush by Slim Glam, and I'm gonna dive into that pink one, this one right here. I'm gonna put that on my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin, just to try it. Very beautiful. Ooh, okay. So this guy retails for $45, totally worth it. Let me do a little bit swatcheroo here. So I'm gonna start with for the first two colors here. So I'm gonna go with this one and just, or can you see, like right there. So these are the blushes. There you go, that's one. It's two blushes. Then I'm gonna grab the pinkish highlighter. Very, very pretty. I'm gonna grab the golden one. Very nice. The kind of like reddish kind of a bronzer. This one. And right here. Yeah, that guy's a little bit too dark for me. And then the one that I used. So those are the swatches, bronzer, blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. Very pretty. They're very nice. Very pigmented. They have kind of like a glow to them. So $45. Yeah, you did great. So as you can see, my makeup is almost complete. The last but not least product in our BOXYCHARM, I was very excited because I don't have anything from her. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Lemonade Lip Gloss. Now this one, let's see what it says. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky, balm-like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer glow is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. I have the color Peach Tea. I was a little confused because it said lemonade lipsticks, and then the colors were not like lemonade-y, but I think I get it. I'm not sure if I get it, but this guy retails for $17, and it's very pretty. Dominique Cosmetics, and it says right here lemonade. And the color, does it say right here on the bottom? I think it does, but the sticker, you can't really see it, but it's on the box right here. She looks very beautiful. Oh, yum. Now I'm even more confused because I was thinking more like a lemonade scent. This has like straight cake scent. Now I want cake with my coffee. Perfect combination right there. I don't have anything on my lips. I did have a lipstick on from the other review that I was doing. That was a lot of product, and I didn't go in there again. I just pulled out the doe foot and it came up with so much product. It looks very beautiful. It feels very nice. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels moisturized, yes. Hydrated, yes. It looks beautiful. I love to wear these by themselves. I would probably wear it on top of like a lipstick, but I like to wear these by itself. Just let them shine, let them bring their own color to your lips, and just have them mix with your lip color. Is just your normal lip color, like your normal regular colored lips. To have lip gloss like this, just bring out that beautiful color that you already have on your lips. For me, is just perfect. I like to just throw these in my purse. If you look at my purse, I'm not gonna kid you, there's like 7 different lip glosses that I just grab a lip gloss and throw it in there, grab a lip gloss and throw it in there. I was digging in my purse the other day and I got like 4 out of there, and I was like, why do I have 4 in here? There's no need. But I'm gonna say I do need this guy in my purse. It looks pretty. I like it. It feels very nice. All right, guys, so that was it for my BOXYCHARM. What can I say? What can I say? This month's BOXYCHARM for me is a double whammer, yes. Everything that was in my box I enjoyed, I love, I will keep using it. I want to say there's been a couple of boxes that I've loved all the products. Mind you, when there's like eyeliners and stuff like that, sometimes I don't like them. But this was like full on approved products for me. Everything, the mask, the primer, everything was a top yes for me. I'm so glad that I got these products in my BOXYCHARM, and I'm very excited to keep on using them and love them completely, all of them. So that was it. Thank you so much for joining with me here on my BOXYCHARM video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. All the products, the codes, everything will be on the description box. Ring the notification bell there somewhere to keep you notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, and I will see you guys on the next one.